Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a quick little review recommendation over a flashlight that was sent to me to try out that from a company called Wuben, and it's the 1200 lumens Type C rechargeable, low power warning, the model L50. Let's see, what's it say? FL1 standard. FL1 standard 1.5 hours. I guess that's the different lasting, how long it lasts. It says an IP68, so it's not completely waterproof, but it's water resistant. Let's see, this thing comes with a 1x8 650 battery, LED light, 1200 LP, so it's got different settings on the output, so you can push the button and see the different brightness. It's got a USB charger right there. I'll tell you what, just hold it in your hand. It's very well quality. Pretty happy with that. So let's see, let's take this bad boy off of here. Got a little battery protector there. Excuse me. That right there. So obviously we're in Florida, it's the middle of the day, but you should still be able to tell. All right, so there's one setting. There's off. There's another setting. That's pretty bright. I can light up the camera there. There's one right there. Let's see what it does right here, if it can show anything. Okay. That's pretty darn bright. I mean, for Bill in the middle of the day, I'm getting a little bit of white spots there. That's bright. That's pretty impressive. So there you have it, the WUBEN light, the model L50. I like it. I think you're going to like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.